Hello buddies, if you have flour, sugar and salt at home, you can make this amazing recipe, this amazing snack for your children and for yourself as well. It tastes super amazing and is simple and easy to make. So today I bring this easy recipe, this easy snack recipe for you guys, and I know if you try it, you are going to love it absolutely. So I would like you to relax and enjoy this video to the end. So if you are just following me or if you're just meeting me for the first time, I'm grateful that you are here. And if you have been my returning follower for a longer time, I'm also grateful. Welcome back and enjoy this video. So to make this amazing recipe, you start by measuring out 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Now to that, I just have this egg white that I left after making my other recipe that I made earlier, so I just decided to use it. So after adding the egg white, I added 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I went in with some water. Okay, for the water I used about 6 tablespoons plus half tablespoon of water. That's about 65 grams of water. So after mixing the dough, my dough came out this way. Then I had to make sure that I kneaded this dough till it becomes smooth, just as you see in the video. Then after that, I had to wrap up or close or cover this dough to rest for 20 minutes. Okay, now after 20 minutes my dough became soft, like softer than it was before. Then I went ahead and rolled out this dough very flat, just as you see in the video. I made sure that I rolled out this dough very flat, just as you see in the video. So after cutting out flattening the dough, and then I use my cookie cutter, my small cookie cutter, to cut out the dough. Then I wrapped this dough and kept it aside while I heat up my oil. Okay, so I added some oil enough to fry this dough into a pot and then allow it to heat up. Then once the oil got heated up, I started dropping in my cut out dough into the oil. Make sure that your oil is well heated up. If not, it's not going to puff up as you see in the video. And once they puff up, you're going to stir them continuously till they brown evenly. Once they brown, you can take them out from the oil. Let them drain in a colander, then you transfer into your plate and you are ready to enjoy this amazing snack. You can even pack this as in a lunch pack for your kids to go to school. You can also enjoy it on your own. It tastes so good. I know you guys are going to try this recipe, and please, when you do, don't forget to let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. And once again, thank you all for sharing my videos, for following me, and for liking and dropping your comments. See you guys in my next video.